Serenily Baby Grooming Kit 17-piece, Blue Pink Clear, by Serenily is one of the best sellers among baby medicine dispensers products. 17-piece Baby Grooming Kit. Perfect for any new parent, this 17-piece kit comes complete with 3-finger toothbrushes stored in clear, blue and pink cases, a baby medicine pacifier dispenser with oral syringe, 2 cradle brushes furnished in pink and blue, a yellow baby nasal aspirator and 10 baby colic and gas relief hollow tubes. All products come packaged in a zippered carry case to keep everything stored in one convenient location. All natural, safe products. Each item in this Serenily Baby Grooming Kit is a natural and effective way to care for your baby. Completely safe for your child, all healthcare and grooming tools are expertly crafted using 100% food-grade, premium silicone that is FDA approved as well as BPA and toxic-free to ensure nothing harmful touches your precious little one. Great gift idea. Ideal for new and experienced parents alike, this set includes all the essentials needed to deal with a fussy baby and relieve discomfort. As such, it will make a great gift for bridal showers, or when going to the hospital to congratulate the new parents on the birth of their child. The pieces are furnished in clear, blue, pink and yellow colors to suit both boys and girls alike. Healthcare items. Whether your child needs to take medicine and keeps spitting it out, has a runny or stuffy nose due to a cold, allergies or teething, or is suffering from colic, constipation or other gas-related problems, the Serenily has you covered. Now you can easily give your child medicine, clear the nasal passages for easier breathing, or relieve that annoying gas bubble so your baby can be happy, comfortable and pain-free. Grooming products. Taking care of your baby's teeth and gums, as well as his or her skin are easy to do when you have this 17-piece kit at your disposal. You can easily brush your baby's teeth and gums to reduce plaque and tartar buildup, and remove dry, flaky skin when giving your baby an enjoyable, calming bath. Your baby will be sparkling clean from head to toe. At the end of a long day, your baby needs a bath. Use the cradle cap brush to remove dry, flaky skin and put an end to cradle cap. Gentle against delicate skin, this great alternative to a washcloth furnishes your baby with a more enjoyable, calming bath so you all get a good night's sleep.